We're asking the question this hour, could cleaning products cause the next pandemic? There are fears our fascination with killing 99.9% of germs could be creating a rise in deadly superbugs. To explain, we are joined by antimicrobial resistance advocate Maud Eijkenboom. Thank you very much for coming in.
Thank you, Monica.
So our obsession with hygiene and cleanliness in the wake of COVID, it could actually prove to be a bad thing.
Yeah, look, it's, of course, we've been hyper-vigilant during the COVID period, and that was really necessary. But now we shouldn't be continuing that, because the issue is that bacteria become resistant to the ingredients that cause the bactericidal or the antibacterial effect. And so when we use them generally in our household on an ongoing basis, we might actually be causing more of an issue than we think we are.
So the tiny amount of bacteria that's not fended off by cleaning products, that could form superbugs?
Yeah, look, it's there's something special there. So the ingredients that kill these bacteria, they have a special element where they communicate with the bacteria, and these bacteria then become resistant. And this resistance is not only learned by those bacteria that remain after cleaning, but it also comes through, they teach other bacteria, and they become resistant to other things like, for instance, life-saving antibiotics.
Right, so what happens if we become infected with these superbugs then? Do we become resistant to those antibiotics?
Look, the bacteria are resistant, so you as a person would not get the help of the antibiotics that you need. And that is scary, because much of our medicine is actually based on having effective antibiotics. So imagine if you get a small cut on your finger and it turns into a deadly sepsis.
Is it the type of cleaning products we're using?
Yes, it definitely is. So it's a type of cleaning products that are called bactericidal, that are called antibacterial, 99.9% of the germs. All those type products are an issue.
So you'd suggest that we don't use antibacterial products, we just use plain standard cleaning products?
Yes, that's spot on, Monica. It's simple soap and water is often enough. You just wash the bacteria off and you don't trigger them in creating this resistance.
Even the World Health Organization has issued a warning about this, hasn't it?
Yeah. So they're calling it the pandemic that's without end even, and they believe by 2050, 10 million people could die annually. So imagine, that's like half of Australia.
Wow. So soap and water is a solution. What else?
Soap and water. Also, there are new ways that we're investigating bacterial infections now, and that's actually by focusing on how bacteria operate in communities. And that's breakthrough work that's now being done, and that's going to stop some of those resistance. But in the meantime, we need to stop creating the resistance by using those kind of products.
Really fascinating chat, Maud. Thank you.
You're welcome.